Hi Vitepos lover. It's the Vitepos tutorial here. This video will show you the send email to cashier feature on Vitepos version 3.0. So let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing. In the Settings module, under Basic Settings, you'll find the new option to enable Send Email to the Cashier. When the admin, outlet manager, cashier, or any user processes an order, they receive the invoice via email. To test this, click on View POS. I created an order through the cashier, added products to the cart, and completed the order to confirm. I received the invoice email, which was successful. Remember, enabling this option may increase server load as it sends all invoices one by one to the email, potentially overwhelming the user who processes them. We advise against using this option unless necessary. That concludes our overview of the Send Email to the Cashier of Vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.